video, we are going to see about data types in Python and debugging in Python. The next is debugging. Debugging is nothing but is finding the error or fixing the error. Bug means errors. Okay, using some techniques, we can fix the error. That is called a debugging. There are three types of errors: compile-time errors, runtime error, and logical error. So compile-time error has two subtypes. First one is syntax errors. There is any programming rules is violated, that is a syntax error. For example, see here, length function is used to find the length of strings, but here we are assigned the value for that function, length of all equal 5. So that is a syntax error. We can't assign value to the functions call. And semantic error means it change the meaning of the statements. Our meaningless statements is called as semantics errors. See here, we always left side only should come variable, right side should come expressions. Here x star y expressions come in that this side, left side, so we can't assign the value, right? In mathematical rules is correct, but in a programming lines this is wrong. We should give that z equal to x star y only, the correct one. So it's a meaningless statement, so it is a semantic error. And logical error, it will not show any compile-time errors, it will not show any syntax errors. There is a mistake in the logical programming logical. For example, we want to find that addition result, but we are using inside the coding minus subtraction symbols, means it's a logical error. Instead of addition, we will give the subtraction result. That's a logical error. So example, without initial value, we can use a variable, and any wrong parameters give to the functions. That's also a wrong operator if we are using instead of uh, subtractions we are using any addition. Likewise, any operator change, that is also logical. And runtime error, while we are executing the program, the error is occurring, that is a runtime error. For example, a equal to 10 and we are getting that any value runtime, and we are going to divide that values a divided by b, it will be assigned to the value c. Suppose while we run the program dynamic, we are giving the value 0, means it will error because any number can't divide by 0. This is a error, that is a runtime error. So runtime errors we can handle in Python, that is called exception handling. We handle that exception using that try expect statements. So the execution statements we have to place under the try, and then once the error is occurred, it will be catch and handle under the except part. See, suppose runtime, if you are giving the value 0 to b, means so the runtime error will occur, so we give one message, it will be go to that except part and it will show the message divided by 0 error. So this exception will be handled in that except part. So exceptions, there are following exceptions available in Python. IO errors, it will erased input output time, input output any problem means any unavailable identifier available means name error occur, and index out of range if you are giving is index error occur. If you forget to import any package means come import error, and any wrong data type is means wrong type error would come, and if you don't pass any argument to the function, it will erase value error. And zero division errors, if you are going to divide any number by 0 means it will come zero division error. And overflow errors, it occur that any mathematical also exceeds some limit, it will come overflow error. And there is a Key error occurs while mismatch key used in the dictionary. And end of file error, it will be occur if you don't reading anything in that file. If you are releasing that reach the end of file, it will come a end of error. So in a Python language, debugging can be done through first a print line debugger. Another one is debugging. So print line debugger means in our codings we can insert a printer statement and then we can find out that's error. So while we are using the print statement for get that error to that print line, we can use that any variable like that. For example, statement x is equal to 9 given. So variable of x is equal to we are converting into integer into string. That's why str of 6. So it will come like this. Output variable x is equal to string value will be printed. But we want to show it a very pretty one, means we can use like this. S equal to 3, y equal to 4, z equal to 9. See if we can use that curly braces format, when it will come in a neat format also. And then print line debugger, if you want to use, we have to import the package pdp, set the breakpoint, and see here example for that. Import pdp and set trace function we have to call pdp.setTrace. And then next, if you are giving print, if you are pressing the letter n mint, it will go to the next line in the current functions, and it is the step into the function and see for the continue and est for breakpoint. And like anybody can run that in the Python command. For that example, create one file a.py. The n letter is used to go to the next step. So two list variable assigned, one is integer list, another one is a string, and next we are import the pdf to call the setTrace function, and inside the user defined function nested loop we are displaying that five numbers list one by one. Under that we are displaying that letter. So first 500 xyz will be printed, and next 600 again xyz printed, and then 700 xyz will be printed. And next we are calling the functions nested loop. So we can check how it's executed line by line. Just press the letter n. And also we can use the debugger tool also to find that fix the error. So debugger tool in 3.6.7 it will be available. The debugger options available in the debug menu. Through that we can check it. So only available in the 3.6 versions only. So once we select the debug from the debugger menu, then this window will be appeared. Then we will open a program and run it. Then line by line it will show that. And just next to click the step button, it will go to the next line. If we get any wrong value, means we can stop it and we can correct our